Hindi, oh, iwanan ko na, mag-school na sila, oh. Yan po. Bago oh yes, baby. Bago mag-school, oh. Inuubos ang energy muna. Get the book. Hey, come on, read the book. Do not shout. Oh, see that? I told you not to shout because the frog will hear you and the frog will jump to your head. Okay, you want that? Huh? Okay, book. Sige. What? No monster. Oh. I will leave na, ha? Dudley, you stay here. Listen to your teacher, ha? Oh, look your classmate, oh. Oh, they behave, oh. Look, oh, they are reading book, oh. You read the book sila lang, oh. Do not step on the book. Oh, you read this, oh, on top of the table. Oh, you do not climb the table. No. Step down. Oh, sige. Step down. Step down. Oh, the frog will come, you know. The frog will jump here, oh. Oh, step down na. Oh, step down, dali. Oh, the frog will jump here. Look, oh. Oh. No, do not shout. Do not shout. Oh, talaga, oh. Do not close that. Let the teacher will be the one to close that. Before the class, the teacher will close that so that you cannot enter because you are going to listen to your teacher, ha? Dudley, participate, ha? Oh. Participate inside the classroom, ha? Lolo will leave. Lolo will go outside and you will be the one to stay here with your classmate, okay? Oh, stop running. Okay, God bless.